Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would adjust your mirrors, being your side mirrors to see cars down the side of your car on a Mazda 3. On this Mazda 3, the way you would adjust your mirrors, here's your control panel. It's in the door right above the switch, and this is a whole switch, so if this isn't working, then potentially something in the switch has gone bad. But you would twist it to the right or the left, depending on which side you need to adjust. But you're also going to have your key on and the accessories. Now this is a push start, so you don't have your key on, you don't have your foot on the brake pedal. So you'll tap it and tap it again. That turns on the accessories, and then that way, while you're parked, you can be able to move your mirror whichever way you need to. So just turn it to the right if you want to move the right one. Push it down to go down. Left and right. Right moves it out, left moves it in, and if it's up, will move it up. And then if you want to adjust your driver's side, you'll just turn it to the left side, and then you would do the same thing. And that's how you would adjust your mirrors. And then if you put it in the middle, where just the dot, that means that when you bump this, it won't move your mirrors. That's how you adjust your mirrors on your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.